Hi everyone, today we will show you how to remove or redact sensitive data in your PDF using PDF.co request tester. Let's start. On your PDF.co dashboard, click Request Tester. On the Request Tester page, search and select Replace Text. I'm going to show you the sample PDF that we're going to use for this tutorial. We will remove the text, your company name. To do that, we need to set the value of search string into your company name. Then, change the value of replace string with a space. Let's now run the request. You will then be given a temporary link where you can view and download your output PDF. Here's what the output PDF looks like. As you can see, the text your company name is now gone. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.